Okay, so this is our first introductory model, and it's this end flange here, so you can see the flange itself on the screen. This is a drawing I've created of the flange. I want just to look at how we model this flange. It has a simple flange with an array of 6 holes. So first of all, we start up here with new, and this new model part we're going to draw. We go to our sketch mode, and we're going to sketch, and let's select the top plane. Either any plane would do. Now we go for the circle tool, center point, and a radius. Any size at this stage will be fine. And we'll do 2 circles, one large, one small. We go straight up to smart dimension, and we enter the size. So 195 for the external diameter. And just check the drawing. We'll put in 135, 125 for the internal diameter. And exit sketch, that's the top right. Now the sketch completed, and you can see sketch 1 here is the double circle. Now we're going to extrude that, so we touch the feature tab, extrude boss base, we expand the feature manager and pick sketch. We're going to extrude that at a distance of 10 millimeters and accept, hit OK. Now the next feature we're going to do is that we cut. So if a quick look at that in the 2D drawing, it's 135 and it's 10 millimeters deep. So jump back into the part here. I want to sketch again and pick the top surface of the part. I can look straight into the part again by selecting the normal 2 button, back to the circle tool again, snapping on the center, dragging out and selecting the circle. Again the smart dimensions at 135 and exit sketch up here. That's all we need to do, 1 circle. Spin the part round, pushing down the center roller wheel, and this time instead of features extrude boss base, we're going to go over here to extrude cut. We've already the sketch selected, and we're going to go 5 millimeters deep, and we can see the preview there on the screen, and select OK. So that's the disc with the we step machine into it. We're just going to do the holes now. So just a quick look at the drawing again, and we can see the hole detail here. There's 6 holes, they're 12.5 diameter, and they're on 165 PCD. So back to part, we sketch again, select the sketch, pick this top surface, and again look normal too. So let's draw the circle. We can draw the circle off the horizontal, and a small trick is to use the center line from the center of the circle to the center of the circle. If you select that line and select make horizontal, now we can put a dimension on the circle, 12.5, and a distance. Distance of the line is fine. It's 165 divided by 2, enter, will give us the radius. We can exit the sketch again, and again this is going to be a feature, extrude cut, and this time we can select it through all, and OK. So that's 1 hole created, and next we go to our circular pattern. Our parameters here would be the axis of rotation. So once that's blue, ready to select, and you can pick this external surface here. And features and faces. Feature then we want to do is the cut extrude number 2, and let's go for 6 of these. Equally spaced, hit enter, and we'll see a quick preview here in yellow, and we're happy enough, and we hit OK. Other information we can add to the model, the material we should specify. So if we right click on that, we can click plain carbon steel, and you can see the feature updates its color. Now just to give it some color, so there are different components, we can hit edit appearance up here on the heads up display, and we can just pick a color. So maybe just pick orange for that flange and hit OK. And finally make sure we hit save, and save in a suitable folder. And we'll again save a part number, not a description. We see here we can add a description here, so we could add flange in capital letters and hit save. So we'll change our part number and hit save. Okay, that's the part saved. So that's the first tutorial of a simple flange.